welcome back. This is kind of a bonus video just to show you how I cleaned my civilian pay data up to take out the names, change the wages, things like that where you may feel uncomfortable if you're in a situation where you want to transfer some information to people. And believe it or not, I've had some requests from people to learn how to do this easily, and there's just some pretty easy ways to do it. So let me go ahead and show you real quick. The first thing, I'm going to take this column, my employee real name column, and copy everything, and Control C. I'm going to hop over to my pay hour codes, and I want to paste values. So paste values here. Now there's a function in here that I'll introduce you to. It's called remove duplicates. So I'm going to select that, and it's going to say you want duplicates in column P. My table has headers. I'm going to say okay. It said 40,131 duplicates found, 314 unique remaining, which is perfect. I'm going to go ahead and take my names now and copy them. Control backspace takes me to the active cell. I'm going to paste my names in there, and I'll just say person 1. I'm not going to spell out 1. Person 1, person 2. And I've established a pattern with the name person, and then I'm incrementing 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth, so it's going to know that's what I want to do. Okay, I'll just go ahead and delete this column. And my table name is fake name, so I'm going to come back to my raw data and go Control up. It takes me to the top, do a quick VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, my lookup value is this name, comma, fake name table, comma, the second column in that table, and then I want an exact match, and then hit enter. And then what I do is just take these fake names, copy and paste values over into here, into my actual names that come in from the R60, and that's how we do that. And then I would obviously delete this. The fake wage, I'll introduce you to another formula here. So I'm going to hit equals, and I go ahead and grab my wage, my pay amount. What I want to do, and there's multiple ways to do this, but what I typically will do is I'll multiply that by a formula called random, or rand between. You can see that here in the corner, right here. And the rand between function wants a number, the bottom number and top number, so let's just do 1, 5, so anything between 1 and 5 in integers. It's not going to do non-integer numbers, and then divide that by rand between 1, 5, and hit enter. And then you could, if you wanted to, on the pay one, so that's fine. Decimals are no problem. Let me do my schedule as well. Equals, grab my authorized grade and multiply it by rand between. There's a random function as well. I like rand between. It allows me to select the range of random numbers and divide it by 1, 5 and hit enter. Now on your authorized grade, you might not want these duplicates, or these decimal places, so you can do a round, not Roman. There we go. I'm going to round to 0 decimal places and hit enter. So that's good, and then I can also put an if error in there if the data didn't have an authorized grade, and show nothing. And then what I'm going to do with this is, again, I'm going to copy and paste values into my actual data for the time being so that I can transfer this information and use it for training purposes. And then at the end of the day, I will just, once I've got those values pasted in there, just delete it. And delete this table. Now it's ready for use. See you in the next video.